my channel. I'm Marielle, also known as ItsaCurlysituation, and today I'm going to show you guys how I part my hair for protective styles, and we're just going to go over parting in general. So if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. So always prior to me starting any protective style, I'm always starting off with wash, deep condition and detangled hair. And I typically stretch my hair if I'm going to do like braids or Senegalace or kinky twist or anything like that, because it just makes it easier for me to section and get my hair done faster. So that's a tip that I will recommend. I'm just gonna go and get right into the video. Also, I'm not a perfect parter. You don't have to be a perfect parter, and parting takes practice. So let's get into the video. I did the tension method, and so here's my hair. It's stretched out, okay? And this is just my natural parting. I just section my hair with my fingernails, and this is what I have. So I want to tell you guys that my hair is not perfectly parted. Here's my section off. So we're gonna go ahead and section off our hair. I'm gonna go ahead and use this, and I'm gonna split my hair into 4. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take off my clips and kind of let my hair fall freely. And it's very important that your hair is detangled when you're parting your hair, because if it's not detangled, it's just gonna take a longer time to separate your hair. So here's my hair. All stretched out, right? So we're gonna take this comb and part it down the middle. So I'm gonna just follow, and let me tell you guys something. I can't see what I'm doing. So if it's not perfect, it's because I don't have a mirror. My mirror is only over here, and then I'm looking at my viewfinder here. So I'm gonna go ahead and part it down the middle. Okay, I don't really know what that looks like back there, but that's my first part. Okay, now mind you, I don't know. So important parts you want to pay attention to when you're parting. The first thing you want to pay attention to is kind of your nose. Your nose is your guide for your center, okay? And the nape of your neck is your guide to your center in the back. And that's pretty much what I follow. My nose and the nape of my neck, okay? So when I part on this side, I start from the middle, and then I go ahead, can you guys see me? I go ahead and use that to go to the top of my ear. The comb is literally touching the top of my ear, okay? That's what I do. And as you can see, it's really not perfect, but it is straight enough. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and split this. And we're gonna straighten it out. So I'm gonna use this comb. And kind of just find the hairs that didn't make it to the side, and just go straight down, and then pull the hairs apart, okay? And then section those off, and I kind of keep my hair stretched so that it doesn't tangle up again, okay? And we're gonna follow the same guide that we followed here. Now say you don't have a rat tube comb and you have this only. You're just gonna use the wider end of this comb, because I feel like this one is not, it pulls too much. So I take the wider end. I'm gonna find the part real quick. I put it right up on the part that I have, and then I go ahead and follow all the way down to the top of my ear, and then my hair is going to start separating. You see? And we're just going to go through and pull those separate. Okay? And I can't see. Check out what I've done. So I'm going to go ahead and clip this off the way. And as you can see, like, I pulled some of my hair right here. I don't want it like that, so I'm going to go ahead and find that part. Find it, part it down, and separate the hairs where I want them to go. Okay? Straighten it up a little bit. That's why this is so much easier, because you can literally just go down and glide it through and be done. Ear, ear. So I'm going to bring this one up a little bit closer to my ear. Like so. And then I'm going to clip this up because I want it to stay stretched. And boom. So now we have about 4 sections, okay? When you want to part your hair, I always start at the bottom and then work up, because the bottom part of my hair is very fine and I need to make bigger parts, and then I can make them smaller as I go up. So we're going to start off with our rat tail comb, and we're going to go right behind our ear, part, boom. Now I don't know if that's straight, but that's what I do. And then I just keep going up like so. So I'm just gonna go and part my whole back of my hair. I like to twist my hair up once I've parted it so that it can stay in its own section. Some people put their hair in rubber bands. It's all up to you. I can feel my ear. I want it really, I'll just go part it. You see how that one's thinner? Okay. Make it a little bigger. Twist. And it doesn't have to be a perfect twist, because again, we're gonna braid our hair, so you don't have to worry about twisting it like that all the way down. The goal is just to have it separate. I want it to be about this thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and start parting. And I just follow that line through. Okay. I really don't know what that looks like, but we're gonna make this into 3 because I can feel it's 3. So I'm gonna just use my nail. 1, twist it. This one feels smaller. I can feel it. I'll fix it in the bathroom. Okay. And you want to just keep going up. This side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 braids on this side. I'm gonna start about right there and just pull it straight. Okay, see? Okay, and you can see your hair and about how many rows you can fit in there. So since these are thicker braids, this is going to be about 2 rows. If I want them smaller, it'll be about 3 rows. So I'm going to go ahead and section this side first, and then we're going to go ahead. Okay, comb and go straight down the middle. And it's harder for me because I have these nails on. You guys see me? So I'm gonna go ahead and part down the middle. Okay, hope that's straight, but again, I'm gonna fix it in the mirror because I cannot see. So then I just take it and twist it up. Take it and twist it up. And then I keep going. Just start from the center and then straighten it like so. That looks good enough. Remember, for the front of your hair, you want your parts to be as straight as possible. Okay, gonna start with my nail. I can split it that way, or I can go ahead and use the comb and split it. It doesn't have to match over the bottom hair. Like, it doesn't have to line up with this part. Sometimes you want your hair to be staggered so it can look fuller. So I go ahead and twist this section. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 up here. Okay, so the back. Remember, you're going to section it off better. 1, did the same thing on this side. 1, 2. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.